boost my confidence.
So I just received a voice memo of a good friend of mine that was actually a client a couple of years ago, and we had a conversation a couple of weeks that he basically wanted to exit his brand. And I told him, bro, like, you have golden hands, because I work with so many like different brands, and you see those phases that you have momentum, and then you know you have like ups and downs. And I was basically saying like keep pushing because it's so much gold. And he basically sent me like a voice memo this morning, 4 minutes, about like changes that happens like within 1 or 2 weeks later. And one of the things is now that he's going to be everywhere on TV. He got many B2B deals now in the pipeline, and that's going to sell 500 to 1,000 pieces each day. It was basically like a whole list. It's so awesome. And what I want to tell you basically with this story is not this like one guy, but like yesterday, like another guy on Twitter that I spoke in DM, he was basically saying like, with the value that you guys provide based on e-commerce, you should like start a course and I will just buy it instantly. But that's not what I'm going to do. But the point that I want to make is that instead of only feel the urgency of, yeah, I need to do it now and because then I get money and I can sell my product, is if you really believe like in your product, if you really believe like in your service, feel the urgency that people need it, right? So instead of like only focusing, how can I get more money? Focus on, okay, people need this, so I need to work hard so I can help those people. And I think once you're realizing that people actually need your solution, that you're gonna get so much more momentum and motivation to actually start building and producing your product. That's a quick message I wanted to share here, and let's get back to work with my kalapa.
The bitch. Yeah. College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't front, her parents paid it. The show was far, you the only one with a car out your girlfriends. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made